Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be making a hair growth spray that will grow your hair massively. So our first ingredient is ginger. Ginger can help strengthen hair follicle, making them less prone to damage and breakage. Ginger stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which help nourish hair follicle and encourage hair growth. It reduces hair loss by strengthening hair follicle and improving scalp health. Ginger can help reduce hair loss and breakage. So all I have to do is to peel off the ginger, then wash it, then pound it. You can also grate it or blend it. Just make sure you pound it or blend it or grate it using a grater. So after pounding it, so it doesn't mean maybe it should smooth or so. No, it can be like mine like this. So after pounding it, then I transfer it into this clean jar. So after transferring the ginger into this jar, then I bring out my second ingredient, which is rosemary. Rosemary helps in reduce dandruff, promotes hair growth. Rosemary has a lot of benefits for hair, and it has been used for thousands of people over the world. Then rosemary promotes hair growth, so you can do your research on rosemary. So I measure 2 tablespoons of rosemary inside our ginger. You can get your ginger on Amazon, or here in Nigeria you can get it in the local market where they sell all type of spices. So you can as well as use the powder, the dried or powder form of ginger. If you do not have access to the fresh one, you can also use the powder one. So after transferring my rosemary into this jar, then I add in my hot water, very boiled water, not just warm, the very boiled one. So after I transfer, then I stir it together and cover it, allow it to sit for at least 6 to 8 hours. You can leave yours as long as 24 hours, but I wanted to use this on that very day, so 6 hours. You can as well as boil this direct from the fire. Just boil it on a low or medium heat for like 30 to 45 minutes. So this is after 6 hours of infusing our spray, our ginger and aloe vera spray. Then I'm going to go ahead, then strain it out using this strainer. You can use a wig cap. Just strain it out because we don't want all this particle on our hair. We only need the spray. So this is our almighty spray. This spray works like magic. It works really fast. Be consistent about it. The rosemary and ginger have already infused into this water. So after I strain it out, then I transfer it into this jar because I will also be using this as a rinse out. I use it as a leave-in spray, and I also use it as a rinse out. So this can last for about 5 days inside fridge. Please make sure you put it inside fridge. This can only last for 5 days. After 5 days, discard it, then make use of another one. So this is my hair is dry, so I want to moisturize it. Then I will spray it on my hair generously, then apply in my leave-in conditioner, then seal in the moisture with my hair pomade. Please make sure you apply your hair with leave-in conditioner, then follow up with your hair growth oil or hair pomade or hair butter, because this will dry out your hair quickly. Rosemary will dry out your hair quickly, then it will start breaking. So make sure you apply in your leave-in conditioner, then follow up with your hair growth oil or hair butter. So I apply it on my hair generously, then massage it. Also apply it on my edges because I'm trying to grow out my edges, so apply it on my edges. Ginger in this spray contains vitamins, mineral and fatty acid that nourish and moisturize hair, making it healthier and more manageable. Ginger anti-inflammatory property can help smooth irritated scalp and improve overall scalp health. It helps reduce split end and improve the overall health of hair. So using ginger on your hair consistently can help promote hair growth. Using rosemary on your hair consistently can help promote hair growth. It can also delay the appearance of gray hair. Ginger has the ability, it has antioxidants that can help delay the appearance of gray hair. So if your hair is graying and you need to turn it back to black, using ginger on your hair, be consistently about it. Incorporate ginger and rosemary on your remedy. You can make use of ginger oil, ginger butter, ginger hair growth spray, even only ginger for your hair, only ginger water. You can also use it, then you definitely see the result. This is me trying to show you that I apply in my moisturizer, my leave-in conditioner, then follow up with my hair growth pomade. So make sure you follow up with your hair growth pomade. So that is it for today's video. If you find this video very helpful and useful, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel, then turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.